All right, guys, this video is for your great recovery for the second 9 weeks. If you have not, first things first, you need to make sure that you do the parent link. So your parent needs to fill this out. So you need to go to it, and if it hasn't been filled out, go ahead and fill it out. But even if you have filled it out, go ahead and click on it, okay? Just click on it, because the way I have this folder set up is that you have to go through each what's first, what's second, like that. So just make sure that you look at it. Okay, once that's complete, you're going to go to Unit 2, Technology Basics. So what you need to do is just go through each unit and just go through the material, like read the material. So Unit 2.01, can you fix it? Go through the introduction, read over it, go through learn, especially learn. You need to make sure that you go through each one. So you got assess the situation, know your computer, go through all of that, read it. What's the problem? And then can you really fix it? So go through and read through this stuff. You might even want to do the try it tab. It might be helpful information. Okay. So once, for each section, so you got this one, and then you got operating systems, you have tech trends, got skills, you got all of that. So you need to make sure you read through, go through the different sections of it. You don't do the task, but you do learn it. You can do try it, and make sure you read the introduction just to see, some key points. So go through all 1, 2, 3, 4 of these. And then you're going to have to go, this is an operating systems basic. It's an Edpuzzle. So go through and watch the video. So you click on the video. And you have questions. So you're going to go through and watch the video and answer the questions. Now make sure you look at watch the video. It's not long. I can't remember how long it is, but it's not long. And you have a few questions. So make sure that you do that. Okay. So that's your first assignment, like as far as grade wise. And then you have another one. What is technology? Technology timeline. Same thing, video with questions. Then you're going to take the Unit 2 test. You must score at least a 70. Remember, for grade recovery, you cannot get above a 70. You need to score at least a 70. Your grade can't be recovered with more than a 70, okay? So on this test, you need to score. So I think I have it set for 3 times, but try to get it the first time, because if you go through this information, you should be able to know what's going on. So I don't think it's timed. The test is not timed. Just make sure that you go through the information and that you take the test, okay? Must make at least a 70. If it takes you more than 3 tries, which I think is what it's set on, you need to send me a message and let me know. All right, so then you're going to move down to Unit 3, Office Applications. We went through all of this second 9 weeks, so you're just going to go through word processing, business correspondence, presentations, spreadsheet, and database. So go through all of those and make sure that you look at everything, look at the go through the the module, learn it, read through the information. You don't have to do the task, but you need to make sure that you try it just to give you some practice with the different stuff in there, okay? So once you get done with this module, you have 2 more ed puzzles, okay? So this is business letter writing and format, an example, and then Google Spreadsheets, getting started with spreadsheets. So these 2, go through them, must score at least 70. And this one I need to change. I think it needs to be, okay. Okay, so this one, I got to redo it, but you're going to have to score at least a 70 on this as well. And then this unit 3 test, everything from this is on this test. So I think it's 25 questions. Make sure you go through it so that you take the test. Like I said, you need to score at least a 70 on it. If you have questions, intervention is daily 1:30 to 3 o'clock. I posted the Zoom link in your class, so you can just access it, come in, ask what you need to ask, and that's it. These are your assignments. You have 2 major grades and 4 minor grades. So just make sure that you complete them. Deadline is March 10th. You can go ahead and get started on it so that you can be done with it, and I can go ahead and fill out the paperwork that is needed to replace your grade. So like I said, any questions, then mention on Schoology, remind, email, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. All right.